All right, y'all. Today it is time to change the radiator. So right now, letting it cool down, and then we are going to drain the radiator the coolant, and then we'll be taking all these hoses off and taking the radiator and the fan off and replacing it with the new radiator, fan, and hose right there.
You know, anything that you run into that's really important.
Yep. All right, bumpers off. So now, where we got brackets at? What we got?
Bracket here.
Bracket here.
You got the under bracket down there.
Bracket
is just a placeholder. So it just sits down in there. Then it's bolted in up here.
Okay.
So we'll just have to pull a couple things up here, tilt forward, take the fans off, slide it all out.
Is this the is that the oil cooler?
Let me see. Power steering.
That's the power steering?
This is power steering. The next one is your AC, and then this silver one back here, that's your actual radiator cooler.
Okay.
Bracket. C bracket. Oh wow, they're gonna make me attack it as a foot side. Okay, that's good. Video channeling, you know what I'm saying?
No how-to on this one, but
no, this is not a step-by-step process. This is how we did it. You want to learn? Follow. You know, you got to have at least a little bit of knowledge about mechanical workings of a car. You know, taking off a radiator hose is, you know.
And that one's super indented too.
Indented like a mother too. Oh, she's out.
All right, y'all. So check it out. So we didn't do a step-by-step. We didn't go through everything because we were really honestly just working and getting this stuff out. So this would just be like a little vlog of us just changing this out. You know, four hands are better than two. So
for most things.
So that's what we were doing.
You single men, stay away from my wife. Hands is just enough for her.
So, all right, we'll take this out, swap everything, and we'll get back into it. All right, radiator out. We gotta swap this.
Yep.
Right.
Just the hose. Just the hose.
Oh, just the hose.
Just the hose.
Oh shit. All right, y'all. We are back. What we did: new fans, new radiator. As you can see, like I said, we weren't doing a how-to or step-by-step because it just, I don't know, just didn't really feel like it. But this is where we are right now, reconnecting everything. This is the power steering cooler. So yeah, then we got the horns that we gotta connect back up, and that has been trying to hit you all day, bro.
She's attacking me. She just doesn't like me, man. So that's all it is. She just is not a friend.
And bye, y'all.
And we really didn't lose any power steering fluid when we
didn't
unhooked it. So
And I know for a lot of people that have got these headlights, I know a lot of people told you guys, hey, you don't need to cut into the bumper. Let me tell you something. You know how hard it was for us to get this little piece right here off of that bumper? Like, we had to, like, that's why I told you guys when I did the video to cut around that so it can just come off easy, because this is going to catch it, and then that's the only thing that's catching it. And then you gotta, if you don't have two people, you're gonna be sitting there all day trying to get that off. So trim that little spot on the bumper so it doesn't catch this, if y'all want to. I mean, y'all gotta listen, but trying to help y'all out. And we got one of our hoses in right there. So, horns going back in place.
If you can, always, when you remove a part and it's got like a body pin to put the bolt in, stick it in there, you know, because then it just keeps track of all your bolts instead of having half the stuff
up there,
up on your dash. You gotta wonder, oh, what's this two? What are those two? Yeah, I don't use bolt trays, because then you're looking at like a bunch of bowls that say Cool Whip on the side because you're too lazy to go out and buy bolt trays. So I just keep everything bolted in when I remove it. So when it comes time to put the part back in, the bolt's already there.
Yep. All right, so she's back hooked up, letting her run. And where's she leaking from?
Just the spot on there.
Oh, yeah. That's only because thermostat's not in there, so. All right, you guys. So now we're on with the fog lights, the new fog lights. Can you show them the fog light real quick? I know you're.
Oh, yeah.
So this is the new fog light I got a while back, and these are the old ones that I had in there, right? So what he's doing right now is the old housing for those, he's just making the hole bigger for the bolt so we can put it in there. Because
so you know, if you want your light tilted down or tilted up or whatnot, it's adjusted right here with that spring.
Yep. Because this is the one that came onto the new one, but you have to take this off, put the old one in there so it'll fit right in there like that. But if you don't adjust that, make an adjustment for the hole, the light is going to tilt back and forth. It'll tilt like that. So you put that bolt in there, it's going to keep it secure so it doesn't move. All right. So, and then waiting for that to completely drain out before we put the fluid back in there. Then we're going to put once we get these lights put on, we're going to put the bumper on, the push bar, and I should be good to go. And this is why I said trim around the light, y'all.
Damn it.
Now we're wrestling with this thing. That's what we're dealing with.
She just don't want to move.
All right, let me help him out. All right, so home, just checked, making sure there's no leaks. Everything is good. I just take her to the wash. I sprayed the little, so that's why it's you see the smoke. Nothing's burning. So, and you know, then one on, put the new fog lights in. I'll show you guys those tonight when the sun goes down, so you can check those out. So that was it. Really quick, easy day. Let's see. That's good. It was down, like it was down a lot. So I've just filled some up, so yeah. All right, y'all. So as you see, it's nighttime. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn on these fog lights so y'all can see how they look. All right. And holy crap, I gotta tell you, That's way brighter than they were before. Holy crap. That is way brighter than they were before. Like, let's see. Like, look at that, dude. Oh man, that is way brighter than they were before. So that was definitely that's a good ass upgrade. Yeah, instead of having these on right now, I wish I could just turn those off just so I can just get a look at the fog lights. But man, that's bright. Hell yeah. I just noticed as soon as I turned them on, I was like, ooh, that's light and that's bright. You know what I'm saying? Now, let's go and turn on the regular lights. See that? So that's with the regular lights on. Yeah, that's blinding. We are gonna have to do something about these. Probably not right now, but we'll do something about them. But yeah, man, that's bright, dude. That is bright, and that's with the regular low beams on. Without, ooh, off, and that's with them off. That's with the fog lights off. Oh, holy crap, dude, that is bright. Oh yeah. Well worth it. Well worth it.